Welcome to the road to $1 million in cryptocurrency live stream. I'm going to try and document my journey over the next 300 days to see if it's possible to become a crypto millionaire. Now, if you're new, my name is Sash. I'm an entrepreneur and I believe in financial education because that is the only way you and I are going to build financial independence. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and join me on this journey. This is day number 28. Let's start. All right. Welcome back, my friends. And I just have to say, we missed the biggest opportunity yesterday. But it's cool. It's cool because that's part of learning, everybody. All right, cool. So let's actually show you what I'm talking about. And as you can see, I'm always so obsessed and bullish about Lavacake. But yeah. I mean, like, this is just an insane journey, such an amazing opportunity. So we'll leave this price chart up here, and then we'll come back and take a look at what's happening afterwards. After we fire off a tweet. Let's see. What are we gonna say today? We are gonna say, Dear at Lavacake. And let's tag old fish swap for some extra exposure. The biggest opportunity yesterday wasn't selling lava. It was buying it. P.S. We are live. Hashtag Lavacake Finance. Hashtag Lambo. Hashtag crypto. Hashtag DeFi. Hashtag gains, yo. Hashtag bros. I love it. Hashtag investing. Hashtag money. Hashtag geek arts. Hashtag what else is the doing right now? Let's tag our company, Bluebrain. Hashtag $1 million. The biggest buying opportunity yesterday wasn't selling lava, it was buying it. P.S. We're live. Should we put our gains here? Up. How many X am I up? I'm not sure. 3X? Up 3X? Some up 30X. I don't know. Let's leave it open-ended and let them come and watch the live stream to find out. The biggest opportunity yesterday wasn't selling lava, it was buying it. Pierce, we're live. Awesome. Guys, let me say hello to you guys. I've been so rude. I apologize, you guys. Okay, yo, we got a couple people in here. We got Mr. Jack Wilson. Welcome, Jack. Appreciate you hanging out today. Mr. Abhimanyu. Mr. Abhimanyu is here. Hopefully I'm saying your name correctly. I apologize if I'm not. Oh, dude. Mr. Animation Dad is in the live stream. Appreciate you hanging out, sir. Welcome. I'm making money on lava. You're making that paper, yo. You're making that paper. Nice. We got Venkatesh, Govindraj in the live stream. Hello, bro. Happy to see you. I'm happy to see you too, my friend. I'm happy to see you too. We got Sebrex in the house. We might have the same opportunity next week. Absolutely. And we're going to talk about it today. We're going to talk about it. We got Crypto 9th Jan 2021 in the live stream. Appreciate you hanging out. Abhimanyu. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I'm butchering your name. I'm sorry. Abhimanyu says, thank you for your hard work, bro. Keep rocking. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. Middle-aged Crypto is in the live stream. Appreciate you hanging out, sir. Crypto 9 Jan 2021. Lava is now $34. That is correct. That is correct. Clayton Joseph, 25 minutes to harvest. By the way, what's up, Sash? Welcome, Clayton. Appreciate you hanging out today. All right. Let's see if we can go ahead and share the screen here. By the way, guys, in case you're brand new to live stream, which, by the way, we had like 800 viewers yesterday. It was insane, crazy, amazing, crazy. Let's see. Okay, so for those of you who are new, okay, I'm just trying to like wrap my head around this whole, like, the sheer amount of people watching from all over the world. It is so humbling and so it's so incredible. It's incredible. So I just want to say thank you, guys. Thank you. Hopefully you had fun yesterday. I had a really good time yesterday. Did you have a good time? I had a great time. I was nervous, really nervous going in, but then afterwards, I think we had a pretty cool time yesterday. We didn't get to buy Lambos yesterday, but if you noticed what I noticed, maybe you might get another chance this week. Maybe. I don't know. Not financial advice, you guys. All right, cool. So here's the thing. In case anybody is new or joining us for the first time, firstly, I apologize for freaking you out. I assure you that I am a sane individual. Sometimes a little on edge, but I'm pretty sane. And what you're looking at here is my investment. I'm obsessed with numbers. I love numbers. And I think every single one of us should absolutely know our numbers if we want to crush it in business and investing. And so I'm going to share my spreadsheet with you to show you how I'm diversified and what my numbers are. And hopefully, you can get some inspiration and do the same. All right, cool. Let me show you here what we're looking at so far. Now, of course, some of this might be a little skewed, but I'll try to make it as simple to understand as possible. I basically have diversified into 3 main categories. The first category is mining revenue. The second category is DeFi, which is this really exciting space that we're in right now, which, by the way, I am so pumped. A few developers reached out to me yesterday after the live stream, and I'm going to set up some calls and talk about our own project, our own legit scam-free project. I am over the moon. I'm so excited. And so if there are any other devs out there who are also interested in collaborating with us, hit me up on Telegram. I would absolutely love to chat and just see if we can take this vision forward. It would be amazing. Anyways, so I digress. So yeah, we got the main DeFi portfolio here, and then finally we've got the main holdings here. And I just have to say that I've been having a really hard time bridging over my assets from Polygon to Binance Smart Chain. And I'm sure that some of you as well, you've had the same problem. And so today we'll discuss some solutions as to how you can potentially get around that. I'll also show you what I did, and maybe you can decide to avoid this so you don't go through the same mistake that I'm personally going through. But yeah, it's just crazy. It's crazy. But anyways, so what am I doing here? I'm doing over, you could say right now I need to actually update that. We're doing over $11,000 on Bitcoin and Ethereum mining. We're doing over about $1,300 on DeFi there, which actually those numbers look really low. I should probably go in and check that out. And then here we've got about $1,500. Yeah, I should definitely go and update that. I don't think I've updated the DeFi section in a while. On average, we're doing about just under 11. Actually, it's a little bit higher now. What is the average on Bitcoin? Bitcoin, yesterday we did about $12, and ETH was really low. For some reason, ETH was super low. It's usually about $50. It was about $35 yesterday. Crazy. Lavacake is the big one. So I harvested about 50 lava yesterday, and I sold it. I sold it, you guys. I sold it. And as you can see, I sold it. Unfortunately, I sold it too early. I sold it for around $550 worth of profit, which is not too bad. It's not too bad. But the cool thing is that I also decided to buy back in. And so when I bought back in, you could say I bought back in. This is my LP, by the way. So I'm just going to show you guys this column right here. So as you can see, this is how I track my LP. So the first column is obviously determining how much LP I receive. And so here you could say that I've got about $37 LP right now, which is currently in the main pool there, 37 LP. And it cost me about 250 BUSD. And I also purchased about 14, you could say 15 lava at the time. It was around $16 per lava. And that total came to about $500, give or take. But when I put it in the pool, the deposit value was $460. And that's because of the tax. And of course, right now, actually, we should probably update this. Right now, it's around 677, which is awesome. 677, so that's a nice little gain there. And you could say we did lose about $40 in fees, but we did make up a fair amount of difference there over time. So altogether, yesterday, I actually put that in yesterday. And today, I was able to harvest about 7 lava. So 7 lava at the time of this recording, 7 times, what is the price? $35? $35.4. About 247. We've seen that pump yesterday, and let's just talk about the crazy opportunity we missed here. We missed a really crazy opportunity, guys. Yesterday, lava dropped to like 30 cents. Lava tanked to 30 cents, and we were all trying to sell it, and then we got discouraged and we just like gave up. But I don't know how many of us actually bought the dip, but for those of us who bought the dip, check out this math, you guys. Just check out this math. If you spend $1,000 and you bought the dip yesterday at 30 cents, okay, let's say 40 cents, right? Let's say 40 cents, right? You would have ended up with 2,500 lava right now. Okay, today that is worth $87,000. Okay, yesterday it pumped to like $70. Look at this crazy, insane gain that we would have gotten if we didn't panic and try to sell and fight against Mike's bots. I'm just saying, that's the main opportunity here with Lavacake. It's not, and I keep saying this, and a few other people in the chat group are also saying this, the really smart ones, which by the way, I'm not the smart one here. I'm just presenting the information. I'm kind of like stealing all this information from the really smart guys in the chat, in the Telegram group. I'm just presenting it to you guys. So I can't really take credit for it, even though it looks like I'm super smart. I'm not. I'm just like stealing this information from the really smart guys in the Telegram group, which by the way, you should totally join if you want to also hang out with smart people. Anyways, the smart people tell me that the real opportunity here is the trading of the coin. The farming is cool. The farming is interesting. The farming is nice. And yes, you can earn some passive profits or whatever it is. But buying the dip and riding that wave up is the main opportunity. And I'm gonna say this, next week we might have one more chance. I don't know for sure. Anything can happen. It might tank all the way to today it might tank all the way to like 1, which means I'm gonna buy. But next week I'm just saying, keep in mind that things might change. So what is lava at right now, you guys? Lava is right now we are at $35, and it's really weird. We got some selling happening here. We got some buying. People are not sure about what they want to do. Personally, I think it's going to appreciate this week, so I might just hold. But I did harvest most of what I have. You have about 19 minutes to go before you're harvesting. Let's jump back into the comments here to see what you guys are saying. Yo. Okay, cool. So we got Animation Dad says cashed in $300 for lava and holding 20 lava for later. Excellent play, my friend. Really, really excellent play. I have about the same right now as well. Excuse me. Everyone smash the like. Yes, please. Everybody smash. Oh man, I'm too excited. I'm too excited. Please smash the like button, guys. Smash the like button. It really helps the APR increase. It also really helps the price of lava go up. So please hit the like button. That's gonna be really awesome. Crypto Mike is in the live stream. Appreciate you, Crypto Mike, hanging out from Facebook over there. Awesome to have you. Venkatesh Govindraj says, really excited to attend your live stream. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. I'm also excited to attend this live stream because of all you guys. You guys make it happen. You guys are awesome. Okay, so let's see here. Animation Dad says, I got back in at $8. Dude, I totally missed that, but I have to admit, I do have an excuse. I actually have two excuses. Number one, I was trying to entertain you guys yesterday. That's totally my excuse. I was trying to entertain you guys. That's why I got distracted. And number two, all my funds, most of my funds are tied up in the Polygon side, and it's so difficult right now to get it over to Binance Smart Chain. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. I'm going to show you guys some tools that you could potentially use, but also some things that you might want to consider avoiding, because it has been a nightmare dealing with some of these platforms. It's crazy. So hopefully you can avoid some of those mistakes today. We got Quatika Williams in the live stream. Appreciate you hanging out today. I got some at 875. Lucky, very lucky. I am kind of jealous, I have to admit. I am kind of jealous. Johnny Dixon is in the live stream. Appreciate you hanging out. Hi, have you looked into Augury yet? It looks really promising. Yes, we did look into Augury. We actually did a live stream. When was it? A few days ago, a few live streams ago. Let me try and find it for you. I think it was live stream number 25. So live stream day 25, that's the one you want to check out. So later when you have a chance, go onto the channel and try and watch that. We did an in-depth review. Of course, we also pointed out some things that concerned us. But hey, I think it's a great platform. I love their tokenomics. Very, very cool. And hey, we have to also talk about Polyyield, you guys. Polyyield has been going insane. It's been going insane. Okay, let's jump into the screen here and show you guys what we are working with. We got J Raw in here. Welcome, J Raw. Appreciate you hanging out today. Okay, by the way, guys, in case you want to harvest, you have 16 minutes to go. Hopefully, we will also harvest. So maybe we should just set a timer here just in case. Timer, let's set one for 14 minutes, and hopefully we don't miss out on any remaining lava in there. Okay, cool. So first thing I want to show you guys is X-Pollinate. This is my favorite cross-chain bridge. And what is a cross-chain bridge, you might ask? Well, a cross-chain bridge allows you to take assets from one blockchain to another without using a centralized exchange. It's marvelous and fantastic. Right, so anyways, if you are interested in moving assets from, say, Binance Smart Chain over to Matic, you can use this particular platform, and you can also do the same vice versa. However, something to consider is the exit liquidity. Okay, so how does this whole thing work, and why should you pay attention? Okay, so let's say, for example, I currently have about $300 in lava. Maybe it appreciates 10x and I have $3,000 in lava, right? But maybe I want to go into, say, Polyyield, and I want to invest in their auto finance pools. Look at this, it's pumping so hard, $1,300 all-time high. It's crazy, it's amazing. But anyways, let's say I want to invest here, okay, but all my assets on Binance Smart Chain. So what I'll need to do is use the cross-chain bridge to take any of these three stable coins over to the Matic network. Now, before I do so, I have the opportunity to verify whether they have exit liquidity. And as you can see, they do. They have a lot of exit liquidity. They have $200,000 worth of DAI, 173k worth of USDC and about 192k worth of USDT, or aka Tether. And that means that if I want to send over small, medium, maybe even slightly large amounts under these thresholds, I'll be able to get that payout without any problem within minutes. It's amazing. It's awesome. But what happens if I want to bridge assets from Matic to Binance Smart Chain? Well, notice here that right now, unfortunately, there isn't much exit liquidity. And if you've ever tried to use a cross-chain bridge before and it's just taken way too long, or you haven't gotten your assets yet, it's most likely because the exit liquidity isn't sufficient enough. And so today I looked at this and I was like, dang son, I need that cross-chain bridge, yo. And this obviously wasn't sufficient, so I needed to find something else. And I want to share my experience with you, so hopefully you can avoid this mistake. Now again, this is not any kind of dissing or FUD against Anyswap here, but just to kind of keep you informed in case you did see this platform and you are interested in bridging assets across. Okay, so this is Anyswap, very amazing, professional looking layout, very awesome functionality here. And they also have tech support, which is amazing, on Telegram. And you can have one-on-one calls with their team. You can also have one-on-one chats with their team. But why am I saying that this is something to be cautious of? Okay, so earlier on, I went to the swap feature and I wanted to basically swap some of my assets from Binance Smart Chain, from Matic over to Binance Smart Chain. And so obviously, I went over, where did I go? I can't remember. Did I go here? I can't remember, you guys. Anyswap, no, this is the exchange. Anyswap cross-chain bridge. Anyswap cross-chain bridge. It might be this one. Yes, it's this one. I think, I'm not sure. No, maybe. I don't know. Okay, why is it not like, okay, let's say, where is it? Polygon. Okay. Anyways, I went here. As you can see, it's kind of confusing, right? So anyways, I connected to my my MetaMask wallet. I was able to send over $1. Okay, so I was able to send over $1, which was USDC. That was the only one they supported at the time. And unfortunately, it worked. It worked. And I say unfortunately because that was the moment that I decided, okay, it works. Let me send over a large amount, like $1,000. And the craziest thing happened, you guys. The craziest thing happened. Check this out. They actually sent me, they did not send me regular USDC. They sent me their variant of USDC, which is any USDC. Now, I just want to show you guys how sketchy this whole thing looks, right? Let's go over to PancakeSwap here. And let's click on the trade section and click on exchange, right? And this is just the craziest thing. Right, so I go in and I put, oops, my bad, bscscan.com. Let me go ahead and find my wallet. And let's go ahead and choose the any, and let's copy this contract. Okay, so check this out. I go in to PancakeSwap, I paste this any USDC, I click I understand, import, etc., right? Notice I have $596 still sitting there. And I want to get it into, maybe I want to get it into BNB, right? If I put 1, notice what it says. Insufficient liquidity, okay? If I put 100, same thing. If I put half, same thing. And so you might be freaking out at this point, or you might be willing to try another exchange. All right, let's try PooCoin. Let's see if we can do PooCoin. All right, we go over to PooCoin, we click on trade. Okay, everything is awesome, everything is normal. Let's actually connect to the right wallet here, which is MetaMask. Let's click OK. Let's click connect. Right, we're on PooCoin. We're ready to trade. Right. So what do we want to trade? We're gonna go in. We're gonna search for this NAUSDC. We're gonna click OK. And here we have some USDC, right? Any USDC. Let's choose the coin we want to output. Let's say BUSD, and we click OK. And it's going to give us the same error, insufficient liquidity. And this is super sketchy and super terrifying, because now you realize, oh my gosh, I have a coin that cannot be swapped. What am I going to do? It's crazy. So I'm going to just show you the steps that I followed after talking with their team, and also some of the steps that they suggested, which personally I think is super sketchy. It's really sketchy. Okay, so anyways, let me show you the steps that I think are relatively safe. So right now I do have this NEUSDC. Okay, I have this NEUSDC. I'm gonna head over to Anyswap. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that I'm obviously connected to my wallet on Binance Smart Chain. I'm gonna choose dashboard. Okay, I'm sorry, not dashboard. I'm gonna choose pool. What is going on here? This is not correct. This is not correct. This is a oh, sorry, my bad. Yeah, this is not correct. Sorry guys, I apologize. They've got like two versions. You see what I mean here? You see what I mean? Anyswap. Let's go over to Medium. Where is their Medium? Yeah, there we go. Okay, they actually have like several versions of their router here. Okay, and you've got to click on the most recent one, which is stable.anyswap.exchange. It's so weird and confusing. Notice it looks different, right? It looks totally different than just the regular Anyswap, right? And so the first thing you want to do, guys, is if you want to access the most recent up-to-date version of Anyswap, make sure you go to Medium and you find the link here on Medium. Okay, so that's the first thing. Second thing, if you do want to get rid of your any USDC, you're gonna click on the pool section here, and then you go down to, let's make this a little bit bigger so you can see. Okay, and then you click this little drop down arrow where it says details, and you'll notice that you'll see some exit liquidity available if there is any. You choose remove, and then whatever's available in there. Okay, maybe we can just like okay, they have a lot actually. They have a lot, which is perfect. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just select everything, and here we will just click on remove liquidity, and then you sign the thing, and as soon as it confirms, you'll get your normal USDC. Okay, but you cannot do this. I repeat, you cannot do this. See, so there are my coins now. Okay, so now I have normal USDC, which I can trade for anything. Okay, if you don't do that step, guys, you'll be stuck with this any USDC here, and you won't be able to use it. Okay, you have to follow the step to get regular USDC. All right, so make sure that you head over to the pool, and you have to check if there's underlying liquidity. If there is no underlying liquidity, unfortunately, you won't be able to bridge your assets from Matic over to Binance Smart Chain. Okay, you have to make sure that there's underlying liquidity, and so if there isn't, you just have to wait until it fills. And so earlier on today, I was only able to withdraw about $300, and now I was able to withdraw the rest. Okay, so earlier on, I was saying to some of the people in the group that I thought this was a scam. And I don't think it's a scam. I just think it's super, super complicated. And if there's nobody to actually show you how it works, you're going to get really confused, okay? So please, guys, make sure that you follow these steps. You want to head over to the pool if you receive this any USDC token. Okay, you want to head over to the pool. Make sure you bridge your assets and remove your liquidity. Okay, make sure you're on the remove button here. So that's just a way for you to bridge your assets from both chains if you're using Anyswap. Okay, if you're using Anyswap. Let's head over to let's see here, we got 10 minutes left. 10 minutes. Oh, we're pumping a little bit too, which is nice. Let's see what you guys are saying. Let's see. Jack says, I just followed you on Twitter. Appreciate it, Jack. Thank you so much for following there. I have like probably like 40 followers or less maybe. Guys, go follow me on Twitter, please. Go follow me on Twitter. I hardly ever use it, but every time we live stream now, I've gotten into the habit of tweeting, and somehow it's creating exposure even though I don't have followers. So if you guys follow, that would be so much more helpful. You could just like retweet and we can share the content. That would be amazing. Let's see. Animation Dad says you forgot to refresh. Yo, I have to refresh. I have to refresh. And the harvest is locked. The harvest is locked, people. The harvest is locked. Okay, so the harvest is locked. We were able to get out most of our stuff, of our coins, but now we're gonna start seeing this this go up a lot more. I thought I set an alarm here. Did I not set an alarm? I did set a timer. I set a timer. What is going on here? Okay, anyways. So as you can see, I left about 0.1 in there, which I suppose is fine. And then of course in this, I forgot to get this out, which is very little. It's only like 0.002 there. I decided to test it out. But anyways, from now I think we're going to see we might potentially see a dump first, and then we might see another pump all the way up to we might see a pump all the way up to like $100, maybe more, because they're going to start minting another, say, 200,000 tokens. I think, if I'm not mistaken, every week they do about 200,000. We'll just look at the tokenomics one more time here so we can actually verify what those numbers are. Lavacake. Okay, so it's unlimited. Okay. Tokenomics. Is this the tokenomics? Are these the tokenomics? What? Emission rates. Okay, 1 per block. Okay. Yeah, fine. So we could probably quantify this. Now it rings. Jeez, man, these timers always let me down, yo. These timers always let me down. Okay, so let's see. What is the BSC block time? BSC block time, 5 seconds. So they are 1,440 times 60. There are 86,400 seconds in a day. If we divide that by 5, we can say we're printing about 17,280 lava per day. If we lock that in for 6 days, actually, I'm wrong. 100,000 only? That's weird. That's interesting. I thought it was 200,000. Maybe it is 200,000 because I don't know. I actually don't know. I don't know, you guys. Did I get this wrong? Did I get this wrong? Maybe they changed it. I'm not sure. I thought it was 200,000. Let's go ahead and check the tokenomics here one more time. And then I'll jump into the comments and see what you guys are saying. Yeah, we did mint 200K recently. Yeah, over the last week we minted 200K. I'm not crazy. So maybe they either changed. Okay, so they did lower the block reward there to 0.8. So maybe that's what changed. I have no idea. Anyways, so what are you guys saying? What are you guys saying? Let's have a look here. Let's see. Animation Dad, 3 minutes to lava harvest. I totally missed that. I always mess up, you guys. I always mess up. It's crazy. Oh, dude. Yo, we got Yodi here. Yodi, what's up, man? Welcome. Welcome to the live stream. Sherwin Morales is here. Welcome to the live stream. Appreciate you hanging out today. Okay, so we have mentioned Lavacake enough for today. What am I going to do? I'm personally going to buy whatever dip exists, because now I have some USDC, which is awesome. And I'm probably going to hold that, and I'm going to flip it when it pumps. Okay, so my price target here, I mean, obviously I'm looking for as low as possible. Do I think we can get to sub $1 again? Probably not. Probably not until the next harvest. when the next harvest happens, I think that's when we might see potentially sub $1 again. Okay, at which point I'll probably go and buy like maybe 3, 5, 10,000 coins and just hold it and maybe watch some price appreciation there. But just keep in mind, every week we're now lowering the emission rate. And when we're lowering the emission rate, we're also lowering the amount of tokens that enter circulation every week. So we had the perfect opportunity last week because 97% of tokens in existence were locked in the harvest. Now, of course, a lot more tokens are in the real world, which is awesome. Okay, so just something to keep in mind there. We are pumping a little bit as well, so I definitely think we'll at least potentially reach a $100 peak this week, maybe more. We'll see. But right now, you know, it might be premature to sell. I'm just gonna hold on to that. I'll also probably hold on to my LP and see how much I can ride it up. We'll see. Polyyield, by the way, is the other platform that we mentioned a couple days ago. When we checked it out a few days ago, it was like $300 and something, and now it's $1,300 and something, so it's pumping. It's also a maximum supply, if you didn't know, a maximum supply of 62,000 tokens, which is what is contributing to the price drive there. It's got a decent APR on the farms only. But if you're interested in the staking, you might want to just park your investment either in the main yield pool or in the auto yield pool. This one's quite nice. I quite like this. And if you want free Matic, by the way, we shared this little trick the other day. If you want free Matic, just go ahead and claim the bounty, and you'll have enough yield for maybe a few transactions, maybe 10 transactions. So you've got like 1 cent, right? So 1 cent on Matic is like maybe 10, maybe more transactions. So that's pretty cool. So this is like a free faucet for you guys if you need that little extra bit of Matic without having to actually swap for Matic, which is really cheap anyways. So yeah, that's the other thing I wanted to mention here. The markets are dropping a little bit. Let's just quickly take a look at CoinMarketCap here, and then we'll head into a review. Yeah, we are dropping a little bit here on the main big cap coins. Of course, this is holding its dominant third place here, which is Tether USD. If you guys missed my Wyckoff distribution explanation, I did that a couple streams ago. You can check that out. I'll have to try and remember which one it is. I can't remember now. But if you don't know what's been happening with Bitcoin this year, you might want to just search Wyckoff distribution events so you can kind of understand how those markets are currently moving or being moved. Still though, if you're looking for a long-term play, like 5, 10, 20 years, Bitcoin is still an excellent investment in my opinion. It's just not something I would use to build wealth right now. But it's definitely something I would use to store wealth, in case any of you guys are wondering what my position is on there. Okay, so we did have a request this... we did have a request for a review, so I'm gonna actually try and review a new project today. Let's just open this up, and I'll also take some questions here really quickly. So we wanted to check out, oh my gosh, there's so many. Okay, I got Cotton Farm, I got Ant DeFi, I got Handyman, I got, okay, so let's try to take this slow. Let's start with maybe Handyman Finance. Okay, let's start with Handyman Finance, and if we have time, we'll do like another one, say Ant DeFi. But I got loads of requests. I got Cotton Farm, Uber, Polycuban, Choco Poly, Tick Token. I mean, there's so many. There's so many that we've got to review, but we can't do them all in one stream. So we will do maybe 1 or 2 right now, and then we'll do the rest in like tomorrow's stream. So we'll see. Okay, so let's see what you guys are saying here. Yo. Okay, so Okay, so Sharon Morales is here. We're preparing to buy lava. Yes, we are, Yodi. Yes, we are. And Andre and my friend is watching live. Appreciate you hanging out, Andre. Appreciate you hanging out. Sugary, is there a harvest today? There was a... Okay, so Sugary, what are we talking about? Are we talking about lava? What are we talking about? The lava harvest just ended, so you're gonna have to wait another week and harvest again on Saturday, if that's what you're asking about. Sherwin says, holding lava till the harvest. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, YG. Hey, YG is in the live stream. Appreciate you hanging out today. Hey, YG. Sherwin Morales, when is the harvest? Bro, the harvest is on Saturday. Harvest is on Saturday. Quite some time to go and catch up. Absolutely. My price expectations is $100 to $200. Yes, it is. And I agree with that. CoinMarketCap is owned by Binance. All About the Hex. All About the Hex is here. Welcome, All About the Hex. Appreciate you hanging out today. Use Nomics OE Dex tools. I'm guessing you meant either Nomics or Dex tools, right? Okay. Yeah, thanks for the suggestion. Thank you for the suggestion. Leonard.ONG, if I'm saying that correctly, is in the live stream. Welcome. I have 15 lava. Should I put them into the Lava BSD LP pool? You might want to. I mean, it depends, right? It depends on you. I personally, I don't want to like give you guys financial advice, so I'm just gonna like tell you what I'm doing. Personally, I have my LP in there. I bought it at like $16, give or take, which is still not as low as I would want it to, but hey, I got some in there, and I'm probably gonna leave it in there to ride out until it gets so high to the point where I'll just be way too tempted and I'll just cash out, right? Because I have a lot of lava locked in that LP, right? And so you might want to consider doing the same. Again, right now we're seeing a price of around $46 on the price chart, and so it's a decent selling opportunity if you need the cash. If you don't need the cash, you might want to consider just letting it ride out for the week. Again, not financial advice. Please do your own research, and definitely get into the habit of taking profits along the way. Right? Don't be greedy. Right? Don't be greedy, and don't like hold the entire bag. Right? Consider taking like a little bit of profit every time it hits an all-time high, because if you don't, other people will, and you will feel really sad when the price dumps. But I will be buying when the price dumps because I didn't spend my whole bag. Yay. Okay, so but I did sell like 50 lava yesterday. I kind of regret it. I have to admit, I regret that decision. Okay, I'm not the wisest of people. I should have held. Okay, what are you gonna do? So I make the same mistakes. Now I'm learning that buy low, sell high. And we haven't seen the top yet. We clearly haven't seen the top yet. Yesterday we saw it touch $70. Right now it's only at $46. It's definitely going to pump higher, even if we see some selling in between. So, do with that as you like. We got some other people in here. Okay, let's see. We got Shamim Ali. Hey, what's up, Shamim? Hopefully I'm saying your name correctly. I got $17 in one lava. Thanks, bro. Love a lot. I love you too, man. I love you too. I appreciate it. But let's see. Yusuf Al-Lushi is here. You are the best teacher. I appreciate it, Yusuf. I appreciate it. You are the best student, Yusuf. You are the best student. I got some of my students from school here, you guys. How cool is that? Zav XOZZ. Am I saying that name correctly? I don't know if I am. I'm probably messing it up, in which case I apologize. But if it is correct, welcome. The price of lava right now is $46. Yes, it is, and it is awesome. It is cool. Let's see. Did you see BNB Stake relaunch? Did I see BNB Stake relaunch? I'm not sure what we're talking about. Let's have a look. Alrighty. BNB Stake. Okay, are we talking about this one here? Lava BNB or what? Or lava pool, or what are we talking about? This one? Okay, you're gonna have to be a bit more specific so I understand the question all about the hex. Leonard says, if Lava token price increases by Friday and I want to take out from the LP pool, will I get back 15 tokens? You'll actually get back more. You'll actually get back more. So let me just quickly explain that in case you guys don't understand. Okay, so let's look at my LP here. Okay, Lava BSD, currently it says $786. Excuse me. Okay, so when I got into this LP yesterday, I spent $500. I got 14 and a bit lava. Actually, I got about 15 lava, give or take. But I was only able to put in 14, and I put in about $250 at the time. It was appreciating. You could say that that cost me. It personally cost me about $500. Okay, that at the time when I put it into the pool, they took the tax, which is about 7%, just under 8%. And that means my value in the pool was $460. Okay, I mean not the pool, the farm. Okay, my value in the farm was $460 yesterday. All right, right now, notice that it is appreciated $793. Okay, which I should probably go ahead and update you. $793. Okay, so how did that happen? That happened because of impermanent loss. And when you take impermanent loss, one of your like you have two coins, right? So one coin will most likely be a stable coin or a big cap coin, and that coin is used to buy lava when the price fluctuates. Okay, so when the lava price fluctuates, we call that impermanent loss, and your stable coin is used to buy the impermanent loss. Okay, and basically what that means is you end up with more lava and less of your stable coin, right? That's if one coin appreciates and the other one is fixed. Or if one coin depreciates and the other one is fixed, that's also gonna incur impermanent loss. In this case, when we see the price appreciation on impermanent loss, you end up actually making more money, right? However, when we see the price depreciation, so in other words, if it tanks to lower than your original entry point. So let's say you got it at 16 and it dropped to like 1, right? That means you're going to take heavy losses on both sides. You're going to get back less lava, and you might get back around the same lava, but you'll get back a lot less BUSD, right? And so that means that you've taken a lot of loss because your liquidity was used to buy everybody's sell orders. And so that's the thing you need to keep in mind, people, when you're using these farms. All right, it might look all cool and amazing and fantastic and super sexy, with price appreciation and super high yield and all that stuff. But keep in mind, guys, our liquidity is used to buy every time somebody sells. So right now we have about $764,000 in there, about $455,000 in there, about just under $500,000 in there. Okay, these are the main sources for everybody's sell orders. Okay, so when everybody sells, this is where all of the money comes from, right? This is where all of the money comes from. And so the last thing we want to do is have liquidity in there or hold a liquidity pair when the price is dumping. Okay, before the harvest unlocked last week, I unstaked my liquidity and I sold, right? I had put in about 1,200, give or take, and it appreciated to about 1,500. I unstaked my liquidity from the same pool right here, Lava BSD LP. I unstaked and I sold before the harvest unlocked because I didn't want to be buying everybody's sell orders. Okay, so right now you can see price is pumping, everything is awesome. My staked value has gone higher. It's a really awesome time to potentially sell if you are in the position to do so. But if you want to hodl and if you want to have diamond hands, maybe your risk tolerance is a little bit higher, then you might want to hold some of your position or maybe even all of your position, right? I know that I personally took quite a bit of profit, but I also didn't spend all my money, right? I didn't buy with everything I have. I still have about $2,000, and so if that price tanks I'm really hoping it goes to like sub $1 again. I'm gonna spend all $2,000 from my my stablecoin liquidity that I have just floating about the different pools, right? I'll probably take that. I'll buy lava. Very heavy, right? But that's only because I understand my threshold is under $1 to go in really heavy with such a large amount, right? However, right now I probably would not spend so much money because we're at a risky point, right? Like they could start dumping all the way to $10 from here because this is the highest it's been all day. Yesterday was the only other time that we saw it appreciate this high to about $70. Okay, so if we look at the charts here, yesterday it went up to around $76 here, and then as you can see it dumped, and so right now we are again heading up to that point. But just keep in mind that when it gets close to that point, you're going to see some people starting to sell here, and you don't want to panic sell. Okay, you want to take profits on the way up. You do not want to panic sell. Okay, just keep that in mind, people. You do not want to panic sell. So be smart about your thresholds, know your limits, understand what your ideal exit scenario is. Okay, if you make it out with 2x and you're happy with that, perfect. Take that and put it away, or maybe take part of it and put it away, and you can leave the rest to ride up. So at least you've taken some profits, right? But don't say I'm gonna hold everything for 10x or 20x. Right? That might not happen. It could happen, but it might not happen as well. And as a result, you end up losing more than you would ideally have hoped to. Okay? So understand your risk tolerance, guys. It's really, really important. Really, really important. Really important. Okay, we're probably not going to review this other platform. Which is cool. Let's see. All right. What am I missing? Leonard says, thanks for the reply. For sure, man, for sure. Sherwin says, I've learned a lot, boss. Yeah, for sure. That's the point. That's the point of this live stream. Which, by the way, guys, we have about, like, how many people do we have in here? How many people? We got like 20 people. We got like 20 people here. 28 people, guys. Can we have at least 28 likes, please? That would be amazing. Go ahead and hit the like button. That would be amazing. Let's see. Vietnamese Seco. Why? Vietnamese echoey. Vietnamese echoey? Is that how I say it? I'm not entirely sure. Welcome to the live stream. Appreciate you hanging out. What's your all-time high prediction of this week? Oh man, if I were to predict, which by the way, I'm not some kind of like guru or anything. I'm just a regular dude like yourself. But if I were to predict, I'd probably say there is a chance we could hit $200. I think so. There's a chance, especially because we've got all that liquidity locked for a week in the main lava pool there. I think we could hit $200. But I'd be happy with a $100 exit. That would be cool. All About the Hex says, no, it's a different farm. What is a different farm? I don't know what you're talking about. Please. Did you see BNB stake relaunch? Okay, you're gonna have to tell me which one you're talking about, man. Oh, it's a different platform? You mean it's a different platform? If so, I'd love to have the link in the chat. If you can post that in there, that would be amazing. Let's say All About the Hex says, no, it's a different farm. Yep. Bantu Viking is in the live stream. Welcome, Bantu Viking. Appreciate it. By the way, guys, I think I learned about lava from Bantu Viking. Bantu Viking is like a genius, or maybe she's just like she just has a lot of time on her hands, one of the two, but she just knows all of the new projects before everyone else does. I don't know how she does it. Personally, I can't take credit for it, but if you are ever wondering why I know so much about these platforms before they're launched on like DApp Radar or whatever, it's because of her. It's because of her. Quintica says, look at the chocolate pool. Look at the chocolate pool. Okay, let's look at the chocolate pool. What's happening to the chocolate pool? I think it's going to increase in value. Yeah. Oh, by the way, another prediction, you guys. Another prediction. Okay, you heard it here first, people. You heard it here first. Our APR is going to start going up again. okay, because of the harvest lock, and because all those tokens will no longer be able to be taken out of liquidity for an entire week, our APRs are going to start pumping again. We might not see 1,000,000% again, but we will definitely see this pump again. All right, so the chocolate pool, what are we seeing? What are we seeing here? I've got some chocolate. I've got some BUSD in the chocolate, you guys. I got 3 cents. I earned 3 cents, you guys. Amazing, amazing. So yesterday we staked, we just did a little test actually. We staked 0.09, which was around 0.1 lava, and we wanted to test this out. So as you can see, you can actually earn BUSD here. Of course, the returns are pretty crazy, but holy moly, we have 22,300 lavas in there right now. Dang, son, dang. People are bullish on this chocolate, here, you guys. People are bullish on this chocolate. This is a super smart strategy. They know that they could give you some BUSD and it'll make you guys happy at a sustained level without you being tempted to just sell your lava and tank the price. This is an excellent incentive for incentivizing people to just like hold lava. It's amazing. I love it. But yeah, interesting. So what else are you guys saying here? Don't try BNB stake ROI. Okay, so all about the Hex. That's not a farm. ROI system. Anytime can be a scam. Don't try BNB stake ROI system. Crypto 9th, I honestly have no idea what you guys are talking about, but if you could post a link, that would be awesome so we all can check it out. Leonard.ong says, thank you for the lesson on farms. I appreciate the deeper learning. It helped me deepen my understanding on LP. Absolutely. And that's a thing about this channel, yo. That's the thing about this channel, you guys. We're all about the learning and we're all about sharing our knowledge. And so please join our Telegram group if you haven't done so yet, so you can also participate from all the other amazing community members. Seriously, there are some really smart people in our Telegram community. Make sure you guys join if you haven't done so yet. Right, Elon Monster says, thanks for teaching me about crypto. For sure, man, for sure. And thank you for learning, man. I hope that, like, my biggest goal, and I said this to one of my ex-students, I was talking to him, APC. You always hear me mention APC. APC was one of my ex-students at school. He's since graduated a while now, and we've just been like talking crypto for like at least a year. It's been a long time, probably the longest I've spoken to about crypto with any of my students. And today I was telling him that when I was in school, I learned a lot. But what I didn't learn was about finance. I didn't learn about finance, you guys. I didn't. Unfortunately, I did not learn about finance. I did not learn about wealth building. I did not learn about investing. It was right now, I feel like it's my responsibility to make sure my students know about these things before they graduate, so at least they have an edge over, say, their peers whose teachers may not be teaching them this. And that makes me a huge advocate for financial education, especially at the school level. I don't know how you guys feel about that. Let me know in the comment section below, but this is honestly something that I absolutely believe in. And that's why I'm doing these live streams. That's why I'm giving away content and spreadsheets for free. That's why we have this amazing Telegram communities, because I firmly believe that the system is rigged in such a way that we're destined to fail if we follow it. Okay, the system, the bureaucratic system, the 400-year-old system that we're all following, you guys. The work hard in school, get high grades, go to university, potentially try to avoid debt, but use debt if you need to, spend like 10 to 20 years paying off that student debt, get a good job, and work for 40 years, and then retire at 60. Okay, what a crazy system. My parents followed that system. Honestly. All my teachers followed that system. Heck, I was even following that system for the longest period of time until my mind exploded after I started reading about business and investing. And so honestly, guys, please understand that my main intention for this channel, for this community, for this whole challenge, this $1 million challenge, is so that you guys, more people out there in the world can learn about financial education. More people can get empowered so that you guys can build financial independence sooner than if you were to find out, say, after you graduated or maybe after your first or second job, right? That would totally suck. The earlier, the better. That's my motto. The earlier, the better. The earlier, the better. All right. Let's see here. We got Hari Krishna in the live stream. Bro, can I trust Polycat? In DeFi, you cannot trust anything, mate. You cannot trust anything. But Polycat looks pretty good. We did a review on Polycat a couple streams ago. So if you head over to my streams, you might be able to find it there. It should be in the heading. But I think Polycat's a really cool platform. I like it a lot. Elon Monster says, I think it's Vietnamese koi. Okay, so that's probably how I should pronounce it. Thank you so much for explaining that. We got Millie TV here. Welcome, Millie TV. Am I saying that correctly? So the money on Saturday was not made since it started out overvalued. OV. So the money on Saturday was not made since it started out OV. Does OV stand for overvalued? I'm kind of unfamiliar with that term, but if OV stands for overvalued, then the answer to that question is yes. Yes, it was. However, if you bought the dip at 30 to 40 cents, and maybe you put in like $1,000 to $2,000, dude, you would have up to like 200 to 300K right now. You would have that right now. What are we at? We're at $48 still. We're at $48. It's amazing. Some people did take profit actually just now. So Vietnamese Koi says, why only all-time high, only $200 and not like several times, like thousands of dollars like last week? Okay, so you're gonna have to understand that last week was a unique situation because there were only like 200 to 400 coins in circulation, right? So when you have less coins in circulation and lots of people are buying it, naturally the price is gonna go up, right? So let's make it simple, right? Let's say we're talking about an asset and that asset is water, right? So if suddenly I used my magic infinity gauntlet and I snapped all the water out of existence except only the water that I have to sell, and then I started selling my water, naturally the price of this now scarce resource is going to go up in value because A, very little supply, B, lots of demand. Okay, so that's the first thing. The tokens in circulation last week were very little. Okay, second thing, most of the liquidity was locked. Okay, so about 97% of the token value was locked in one of the staking pools. So if you go here and you head over to the staking pool section, right here where you see BUSD, there was another pool called the lava pool. Okay, and the lava pool is where they took all our locked harvest and they put it in there, and they didn't tell anybody. They were all like quiet about it. Now they've obviously removed it, so they obviously don't want us to find out their secret. But we found out, you guys. We found out, because that's how we roll, yo. That's how we roll. So anyways, we found out that that's where all our liquidity was locked. And naturally, if it's appreciating and earning 1,000% APR, then of course, naturally, it's going to just increase in value, right? But notice all that value is still locked for an entire week. The tokens that people can trade were only like 200 to 400 tokens, and we had about 200,000 tokens locked. So naturally it went up in value. But the moment that those tokens hit the market, before people even had a chance, even if you used bots yesterday, before people had a chance to sell at like 12,000 or 11,000, the moment people harvested, suddenly the tokenomics dropped the value. Okay, so I don't think all of this giant red line here, this giant red line, look how vertical that is, right? That is like super vertical. And if you go back, I don't know if it's possible now to look at yesterday's history, but yesterday we did look at it on live stream. You could not see people selling, thousands of dollars. There were no like $1,000 sales. Excuse me. There were no like giant sales. It's just this red line here was caused by a lot of tokens hitting the market all at once the moment people harvested. And so the real opportunity, like I keep saying, the real opportunity was not buying the dip, because it dipped, and it dipped really hard, and it went to like $0.3 per coin, and I'm kicking myself for not doing it. But hey, at least you guys had a good time, so I appreciate that. Right, so let's see here. What are you guys saying? Hopefully that answers your question, Vietnamese Koi. I appreciate that question. Hopefully that answers it. Bunch of I can say it's not really, but the latter. Too much time. Yeah, you do have too much time, but we appreciate it. Coco Joker says ICP price prediction 2021 end. What are we talking about? What is ICP? I'm not sure. What is ICP? I'm so stupid, you guys. You're gonna have to like spell it out for me. Let's see. Okay, so bunch of I can say, did you check out Black Magic Finance when I sent it to you the night before the launch, Uncle Jazz? I think I may have, but I'm guilty. Maybe I didn't as well. I can neither confirm nor deny that right now, unfortunately. It's probably no, I probably forgot. But that's a good reminder. Yodi says, bro, it's already past the harvest time and the price just keeps going up. It's $55 now. Do you think we can buy or wait till the dump? You're gonna have to assess your risk tolerance, my friend. Personally, I don't want to spend like that much on a single coin. I want to spend a lot less. I think we'll get another opportunity next week. So, that's just me. Maybe you guys are going to do something different, but that's just me. Let's see. Shiguri says, do you live in Dubai? I do. Yes, I do. I do live in Dubai. Where do you live, Shiguri? I do live in Dubai, yeah. Crypto 9th Jan 2021 says, I think we'll $100 lava tonight. Yes, of course. That is certainly a possibility. Totally. William says, dude, I picked up 19 lava for $35 yesterday. Oh man, that is sweet. That is epic. I should probably bought more, to be honest. I wanted to kind of like limit and mitigate my risk. So I've got about, how much do I have right now? I probably have like 20 something as well. Nothing crazy. It's not like 2,000 like I wanted. But I can guarantee you that I am going hard if lava tanks on Saturday. Okay, or before. If lava tanks to like sub $1 again, I am aping in with like $2,000. Definitely. And hey, even if we see just like pump to like maybe $2 or $5, whatever, that will be a significant gain. Even if we don't go back up to like $55 or $100 or $200, whatever, it will be fine. But I want to hold a couple thousand lava. I'm feeling good about this project. Hopefully they don't rug us. We had a very seasoned gentleman. I won't mention his name, but a very seasoned gentleman who mentioned that the perfect rug opportunity would be week 2 because everybody is now confident in the platform. We hope. Please limit your exposure, you guys. Please limit your exposure. Bunch of Viking says, so that tells me you should have attempted to sell 2 minutes before the timer is up. Okay, so Crypto says 8 lava bought at $12. Dude, you got a really good deal there. You got a really good deal. Millie TV says, lava and wallet, how do you find out what you made on Saturday before the harvest locked? Millie TV, I'm not sure what you mean, but if I just go over to the front page here and I just look at the lava in my wallet, it tells me the value right there. So I currently have 7.1 lava in my wallet. I also currently have 37.7 LP. So most of my lava is actually locked in this LP right now. So you know, all I have to do, of course, to get access to that is just unstake, and then when I do, I'll pay the 7% fee, etc., etc., etc. And so yeah, if you want to just check the value, it's right there on the front end. Hopefully that answers your question. Alternatively, you might want to head over to PooCoin right here. Just connect your wallet like what you'll see me doing. Let's log out here. Let's connect to Binance Smart Chain. And let's go ahead and click on the trade section. Let's swap it here. And then you can probably just put in, like, you know, 1 lava. 0.02% price impact. Perfect. Really, really good price impact. And it tells you what the price is, which is now $57. Amazing. Amazing. By the way, I minted those 7 lava yesterday, which is awesome. It was awesome. Really cool opportunity. So right now I've got most of the lava that I purchased. It was in the LP. My strategy was, let me see if I can put this lava to work, not just hold it in my wallet, but let me see if I can actually put it to work. And so I put it to work yesterday. That was just a little speculative bet with about $500. So that's why I went in low. I didn't like spend like $2,000, you know. I mean, obviously in retrospect it would have been profitable, but I didn't want to expose myself that much. I just wanted to take a small risk, spent $500, got the 37 LP, and now I'm just riding it up to see how it goes. And then of course I obviously harvested most of what I earned before the harvest locked up. Right. So let's see. Sugary says, what is your lava cake price expectation for the upcoming week? Ooh, I think we already mentioned it. For the upcoming week, we said probably a high of $100, maybe optimistically $200, maybe, hopefully. What would that be actually? Right now, if we were, let's say hypothetically we all got to sell our 20 lava at $200, we'd make like $4,000. That's not too bad, right? I mean, I've got about like 20. Well, how much do I have? I have about like maybe 15 plus 7, so about 22. Let's say we get up to $200, $4,500. That's not too bad. Even $4,000, that wouldn't be too bad. And then you know, we've got some money to reinvest when we are going to see the dump again on Saturday, which is going to be fantastic, you guys. Going to be fantastic. I'm going to basically buy the dip. That's just me, by the way. Don't do what I'm doing. I'm doing what I'm doing because I have other investments diversified. Okay, I've still got revenue coming in from other platforms. Please don't overinvest more than you can afford to lose, okay? This could go crashing down, and I don't want you guys to blame me. But what I do want you guys to do is hit the like button, please. That would be amazing. Can we get at least 30 likes, you guys? Can we get at least 30 likes? That would be amazing. Let's see. So the name right got me to Vietnamese Koi says, thanks for the answer, very helpful. Did you hear about HTR blockchain? I don't think so, but I'm going to definitely write it down. Let's see, HTR blockchain. And then I'll do some reading, and then maybe we could do a review in like a future episode. J. Ross says, I'm waiting for the next week's tip. Yeah, I mean, hopefully you got it, man. Hopefully you got it. Right now we're at $60, you guys. It might be a good exit opportunity for many of you. But if you're feeling bullish, you know, maybe you want to consider holding, you know. I mean, it's up to you guys. Okay, it's up to you guys. Please don't take my advice. Please do your own research, okay, you guys. Let's see. Bounty Viking says, can you please check the Polycuban Finance? Yes, we are gonna check the Polycuban Finance. It's on the list, but not right now, because right now we're almost out of time. ICP is Internet Computer. Oh, perfect. Yeah. So I actually had the privilege of attending the Ethereum Summit before ICP went online. Okay, before Internet Computer went online, I actually got to attend the Ethereum Summit, which was also online, where the Definity team, who's the company behind the Internet Computer, did their pitch for the Internet Computer. I absolutely love the technology. I'm a tech guy, right? We're gonna like help contribute to this whole digital financial revolution with our own platform very soon, which, by the way, you guys should totally join the Telegram group so you are first in line to know. But here's the thing. Internet Computer has the technology, just like Solana, just like Ethereum, just like so many of these other chains. They have the technology in place to lay the foundation. They've already started laying the foundations for Web 3.0. This is the most incredible time to be alive post the .com boom, right? Post Internet 2.0, right? Think about it. If you were around, if you were old enough, if you had some money to play with back when Amazon and Google and Facebook were starting out, would you have purchased any of those stocks? All right, maybe you knew about it and you had an opportunity. Would you have done it? I probably would have, right? And so that's the same as we are seeing right now. We are currently seeing the birth and the revolution, which started in 2017, 2016. It goes back as far as 2013 with Ethereum, as if I'm not mistaken. They have started to lay the foundational groundwork for Web 3.0, the internet that runs on the blockchain. We're talking like, crypto domains, digital land, of course, all the currency that we currently get to experience, the digital highways, which we know as the blockchain. It is just insane. It's insane. And so Internet Computer is going to play a really, really strong part in that. We can definitely go and take a look at the price, but for me personally, I think it's something really worth potentially holding on to. But we'll definitely take a look at the price in just a sec. Right, so Bantu Viking says, right, I really feel like a dumb dude because I saw it below $50 and now it's like $60. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure. The Brothers is here. The Brothers is here. Hello, Muhammad Tamim. Appreciate you hanging out today. APC is in the house. Welcome, APC. Appreciate you hanging out today. Cookwood Joker says, Meech Finance, can you check it, bro? Yes, I will check it, but we are Meech Finance. Let's see. Let me write it down. Meech. Is that the correct spelling? Meech Finance. Okay, I wrote it down, but we're not going to check it right now because we want to try and end the live stream pretty soon. Uncle Jazz, do not judge me for asking this, but in my wallet I have Cake LP and I have no clue what to go with it. Where? Can you please help me understand? Because believe it or not, even though I am good at sniffing out farms, I'm still fairly new. Yes. So you have Cake LP. Is it Cake and Lava or what is it? Like, do you want to just tell me what you're talking about there? Bunch of Viking, and then I'll share my screen and we can go through it. Botan B-Row is in the live stream. Welcome, Botan B-Row. Appreciate you hanging out. What do you think about Ethereum? I got asked this question yesterday. I don't know. Thorium. Okay, I'm gonna try and look at it. I promise. Must check out. And if you ask me the same question tomorrow, I'll be able to give you a better answer. Because if I check it out right now, you're not going to get the best answer out of me because I need some time. I'm a bit slow. It's probably old age, but I need some time to actually read through things before I can give like a proper answer. However, if you want to join our Telegram group, you can ask this question in there, and I will obviously have had time to look over it and I can help you out. Cool. William Klaproth is in the live stream. Welcome, William. Appreciate you hanging out. Sorry if I butchered your last name. Up $1,000 right now. Up $1,000 right now. Man, I hope this pumps back to the thousands per coin. Dude, it would be amazing. It would be amazing if it did. It would be amazing if it did. Personally, I don't think it will because we already have 200,000 coins in circulation. Obviously, you know, about like 20 something are locked in the chocolate pools because people want that sweet BUSD. But I mean, personally, I don't think so. But I feel you, man. I feel you. Let me see what I'm doing here. I'm doing about 875 on my investments. I got in at like 460, so that's not too bad. I'm up 2x, which is nice. J Raw, and of course the lava that I did harvest yesterday. J Raw says tip of the lava chart. APC says remove the dislike. Yeah, guys, why are you disliking this video? Is this not the coolest live stream on DeFi that you've ever joined? I mean, seriously, what's going on, people? Why are you disliking the video? If you do want to dislike, if you genuinely do want to dislike, you could hit the dislike button twice, okay? Then I wouldn't feel bad, all right? But don't just hit it once. Hit it twice if you really dislike the video, all right? But what I can say is I can't wait for your analysis for sure. By the way, lava is sitting at $60 right now, thinking about purchasing 4 more because I can't see it going up to the $300 and then I could be wrong. Yes, for sure. Yes, for sure. But what I can say is just says cake LPS. Okay, so Bantu Viking, do you want to tell me how you created the cake LP? If you use PancakeSwap maybe? Because usually with an LP, you have to pair a volatile token with a stable coin or something like that. We got Wild Geese here. What's up, Wild Geese? Appreciate you hanging out today, man. Vietnamese Koi says, what do you think of the HCR blockchain? We did answer that. We did say that we're gonna write it down, and I promise that I will look at it soon, but not right now. Wild Geese says, if I used my head yesterday, I should have. Dude, all of us missed the biggest opportunity ever. We were just too busy being entertained by the likes of stupid me, but I have to admit that I messed up too, right? I messed up too, you guys. I should have tried to port over my freaking my stable coins from the Polygon network. It's just I've been having a hard time getting the coins over. I was lucky today to get some of those coins over, but I messed up, you guys. I messed up as well. I was too focused on entertainment. I have to admit, I was too focused. I was too hyped. I missed the dip as well. But if I can say is right, Geese, that would have been an easy $4,000 more from like $100 to $200 per buy, for sure. William says you said the last name right. Awesome. Wild Geese says you bought some more at $60. Just bought some more at $60. Yo, my man is bullish, man. My man is bullish. By the way, Wild Geese, are you a dude or a gal? I'm not sure. Sometimes I mess these things up. I used to call Bantu Viking a dude, but then she told me she was a woman, and so I was like, blind. Win NYXO is in the live stream. Appreciate you hanging out, man. The rug pull yesterday was messed up, but I bought lava at 40 cents. I hope you good, bro. Dude, you got it at 40 cents? How much did you get, man? Dude, that's insane. Dude, I wish we mentioned something. By the way, it wasn't a rug pull. It was just 200,000 coins hitting the market at the same time. Not a rug pull. Bantu Viking, I think so. I was bored one day and I started playing with liquidity. I usually stick to buying and holding the coins in my wallet. Animation Dad says, "Oh man, here, dude, we're both." I feel you. Respect. Okay, so Bountify, let me help you out here in case you're not sure what the value of that Pancake LP is. So what you want to do is head over to PancakeSwap. Okay, and then click on Trade, and then choose Liquidity. Okay, and then of course you will obviously see an option here to add liquidity, but then you'll also have the back button here, and you'll be able to see your liquidity. Okay, so if you have any liquidity in your wallet, of course make sure you're connected to your wallet, and then you should easily be able to unstake that, break it up, and obviously get the real value for that LP. If you do want to stake the LP, excuse me, if you do want to stake the LP, you can probably do it here in the Cake BNB farm, but I'm not sure. I am not sure. Maybe there's one here as well. Cake BNB, Cake BUSD. There's another one here, Cake BUSD. This is a nice one too, actually. Very cool. Very cool. But of course, this one is probably the best one, or these two rather. I like the BUSD farm because I you know, the volatility with the BNB is just too much for me in terms of risk. I have to admit. All right, internet computer. Let's have a look before we head off. Internet computer. Dang son, what? Dude, the last time I checked, I might buy this dip, yo. I might buy this dip. What on earth? This is insane. This is insane. All right, cool. So let's have a look here. I wish I could make this bigger. Somebody mentioned another chart. What was it? Was it Dex Guru? I can't remember. If you guys can please remind me which other chart we could potentially use, that would be amazing and awesome. Okay, dudes. This is like the all-time low. This is the all-time low for internet computer. Why is it tanking so much? Dudes. I have not seen, like, literally the last time I saw it was like at over $100, like maybe 140, give or take. Of course, I knew it was overpriced the moment it launched. After the Ethereal Summit, it launched at like $700 or something. Of course, it was gonna tank. Of course, I feel sorry for the dudes who bought it really early, but this is insane, you guys. This is insane. This might be a really cool buying opportunity, I have to admit, but I don't know why. Okay, so in case you don't know about internet computer is by the company called DEFINITY, if I'm not mistaken. Let's have a look here. Internet computer, yeah, DEFINITY. Okay, so it did launch recently. DEFINITY launched last December 2020, and Internet computer launched a couple months ago, like a month or two ago, give or take. And so it's a relatively new project. And let's see what it says. Let's see what the official thing says here. And Internet computer is the world's first blockchain that runs on the web at web speed with unbounded capacity. It also represents the third major blockchain innovation alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum, a blockchain computer that scales smart contract computation and data and runs them at web speed. This is why I think it is such a vital piece of Web 3.0. The moment they gave the DEFINITY pitch, like when they joined the Ethereal Summit, when they gave that pitch at the Ethereal Summit, I was sold immediately, because I absolutely believe that this is going to be foundational for Web 3.0. And if you guys are smart, you might want to consider investing and holding long term. I'm talking like maybe 5-10 years, maybe more. But of course, consider waiting for the dip as well. We might see it fall even further. I'm really interested as to why it's been falling so hard, dude. It's crazy. It's crazy. Why? When? Where? Who? Okay, so let's see here. What else am I missing? Instant Discovery is in the live stream. Appreciate you hanging out today. Hey, Sash, regarding Lava Now, that new tokens were issued and kind of inflated the market. What's the maximum price you think it will be? Target. I see the market cap is now around $50 million and a low price. Yes, of course. And that is to be expected, of course, because, we mentioned this earlier, but I think you just joined us. So what we said earlier was low supply, big demand equals high price. Okay, that's just simple economics, or in this case, tokenomics. And a lot of the supply was locked in liquidity and compounding in an investment pool. So that was what was hiking the price, and small buy orders were also easily inflating the price because there were only like 200 to 400 tokens in circulation. And so now that we have over 200,000 tokens in circulation, maybe let's say hypothetically 150,000, but I would say closer to 200,000. But let's say 150,000 in circulation right now. What does that mean? That means, of course, price is going to be a lot lower because now there's more supply. Right? And so we literally have 500 times more supply than we did have last week. And so, of course, we can expect 500 times lower price, give or take, right? Who knows? Maybe it is going to pump all the way back up to a few $1,000s, but I doubt it. Personally, I think maybe we're going to look at like $100, maybe $200. That would be pretty sweet. That would be very sweet. Vietnamese says, what was the market cap of the ICP at launch? Real, and why was it so high? It's because of all the hype. You're gonna have to understand ICP had institutional backing, right? At the Ethereum Summit, they weren't just blockchain developers and CEOs presenting. They were also investors, and some investors were invested in DEFINITY, which is the company that built Internet Computer. And so that's of course hyped the price. And of course you can imagine it's sort of like an like an ICO, initial coin offering, right? And so the same principle applies with like an ICO. What is it? Yeah, whatever, right? You get the idea, right? So when a coin launches for the first time, that is like an exit strategy, right? The same as when like a stock gets launched into the market for the first time. That's like an exit strategy for investors, because now they have a listed price, a target price, which the market can decide to buy in, and all the investors now have this public ability, this opportunity to sell their shares, or in this case their tokens or whatever it is, right? And so you can guarantee that institutional investors helped hype the price so high at launch, which really sucks. If they launched it like a regular ICO and it went at like maybe like $1, maybe like $2, I think that would have been fair, and then it had a chance to kind of rise, right? And so people would have seen growth opportunity there. But unfortunately, they overhyped it. They launched it too high. Honestly, they launched it too high. They probably saw heavy losses. For investors holding on, I feel bad for them, but honestly, I could say that I saw it coming. I could definitely see it coming. 220, what is this? 220 million. No, that's the trading volume. What is the market cap? Fully diluted market cap, $22 billion. Current market cap, $6.1 billion. Interesting. Yeah. Wow. And it's going down. It's going down, yo. Did you guys see it change? Dude, people are offloading this. I'll buy it when it hits the bottom for sure. It's got room in my portfolio. I believe in this tech. I believe in that tech. Absolutely. Let's see here. Let's see. Don't buy Internet Computer. They have an exploit. What is the exploit, Pass? Let me know. What is the exploit? Sherwin says, what can we say about the Pi network? The Pi network. Let's have a look at the Pi network. Oh, this is a thing where you use your phone to like mine cryptocurrency, right? If I'm not mistaken. I don't know if I can actually access it here. Let's look at images maybe. PiCoin. So yeah, you can use this app, which by the way I don't have. I did hear about it from some of my students, but I did not. $200, is that true? I don't know, you guys, I don't know. Let's see if we can put it in here. Pi network. Pi. What is the coin price? Pi network. Yeah, there we go. Pi network. Pi network data is untracked. Why is it untracked? Why is it untracked? How can we track it? How do we track it? You guys, we need to track it. We can't just leave it here. We have to track it. I don't know, you guys. I'm freaking out here. I'm freaking out here. Okay. So yeah, sorry about the craziness there, but I don't know. But I will definitely find out if you like. When NYXO says, what do you think will happen to Lavacake in the next week or so? I got 2 BUSDs for 5 Lava. Dude, you got, dude, that's amazing. That is amazing. I feel like such an idiot not actually buying the dip. I feel like such an idiot, but we're gonna see another dip on Saturday. Get ready to buy, people. Get ready to buy. I might just like offload what I have like midweek or something, so I've got some more liquidity. If we ride up, what is the price right now? $64. $64, you guys. We're at $64 freaking dollars right now. That's crazy. That's 63. Darn it. It's 63, you guys. Might as well just sell it, you guys. Might as well just sell it. It's like 63. Let's see. Okay, so Wildgeese says I'm calling $300. I mean, it might. Clayton Jersey says Polysnow is gaining almost 3x since yesterday. Dude, really? Dude. Polysnow. I pulled out of Polysnow, man. I parked my investment in. Yo. Do you think it's got some potential? APR 7. Uh-oh. My bad. So yeah, I mean, decent. And they did the best thing. Oh, dude, I love the developer. I absolutely love the developer. He takes advice from people. I mean, I could be wrong here. Nope. I am wrong. So it looks like there's just the Snow USD farm. And if we go to the fireplace, they still have all these other pools here. Yeah, okay. Makes sense. Yeah, I mean, that's interesting. 8% per day. That's not bad. That's really not bad. But again, you know, you're going to have to risk it getting in there. It did drop significantly. I like the developer a lot because he does take feedback and he does, care about the platform and all of that stuff. But I have to also be completely honest and forthright that it's hard to trust a project that doesn't have that much backing, doesn't have that much backing. The low was like 20 cents, 27 cents. And I mean, it's so hard to predict these things, like Worms, for example, just completely crashed. I actually lost like $70 on Worms. It's terrible. So, in retrospect, maybe I should have stayed with Polysnow. Maybe. But hey, you live and you learn. That looks really cool. I'd love to actually check out what the sentiment in the chat group is. Let's see here. So Algie says it won't go as high as it was, obviously, but I still think we can get a couple hundred out of it. For sure, my friend. For sure. Lava team going to buy back. Do you explain? Okay, so Abi Manu is here. Abi Manu, welcome. Sorry if I'm butchering your name. I apologize. So Lava Team is gonna buy back. Do you explain about the buyback? Lava Team is going to. Oh. Okay, I am not sure what you're asking. But if you could please rephrase that would be awesome. And then I could definitely explain. My mouse is glitching out. Yo, my mouse is glitching out. The buyback. Okay, so William says, awesome series you have going here. Been playing catch up on them. Probably you're your only viewer from Wyoming. Definitely appreciate you sharing the knowledge. Dude, I appreciate it. Like, actually, if I looked at my YouTube analytics recently, we have so many new people from the United States. It's crazy. It's really humbling, actually. I really appreciate it. It seems like lots of people from over there are interested. Personally, I'm not able to actually like segment exactly where in the States they're from, but I know we do have like the largest amount of our audience right now is from the United States. So appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you, and hopefully you like the content. I am just trying to, you know, do my best to document the journey here. Wagi says we'll see. Instance cover says what was the market cap during the 10,000 ride? Where can I check that? I want to do simple math and check corresponding price. The easiest way to do it is just by checking out previous live streams. So you might want to check out the live stream from yesterday. So you can check out the market cap. I think it was like 1.6 billion or something like that at like a high of $12,600. Okay, Abimaniu is asking the question again, so I'm gonna have to try to answer that in just a sec. Oreo is in the live stream. Welcome, Oreo. Appreciate you hanging out today. It's phase 2 out of 3. Doesn't have value yet. You got me with that one, mate. You got me with that one. I have no idea what you mean. But sometime December 2021, it's going to be released and the mining is going to be stopped. Ah, we're talking about Pi. We are talking about Pi. Got it. Don't be mad at me if I call you Uncle Jazz. I'm just used to... Okay, so let me explain. Let me explain where Uncle Jazz comes from. That's actually really funny. So some of you on Telegram, you chat with me, and my username is Uncle Jazz, right? And so you might be wondering, why is his name Uncle Jazz? Okay, so we have some really good family friends here in Dubai, right? And my wife used to teach the daughter, who was 3 at the time. She used to be her teacher, her nursery teacher. And so when we obviously met them for like the first time, and we would go over to visit, their daughter, their little kid, would call me Uncle Jazz. Of course, she was trying to say Uncle Sash, but she couldn't say it. And so Uncle Jazz became the sort of running nickname among that family for me. And it just became so catchy, and I just thought I'd keep it. So that's where it comes from. The things you learn, Okay, so let's see, what are you saying? Please, can you tell me, what would you prefer to be called? So please take note of Mars coin. Also, please take note of Mars coins. Dude, Bantu Viking, you know way too much about these projects, man. Okay, so Mars coins. Okay, I'm gonna have to do lots of reading, you guys. Mars coin. Got it. Sebrex says, I think it depends on APR. Right now, APR is increasing, and so is the price, which might mean people are farming just to stake. And if it goes crazy high like last week, might see another 1K or more, in my opinion. Dude, I hope you're right. I hope you are right. Even if we hit 1K, dude, I would be very happy. I have to admit, I would be very happy. And I imagine all the people who bought it at like 40 cents would be even happier. Imagine if you had 1,000 lavas and it went to like $1,000. Imagine, that's like $1 million on just one project. That's crazy. That's why I'm buying the next dip. I am buying the next dip, you guys. But hey, you know, that's just me, you guys. That's just me. I just have to like put it out there. Segrick says, I think it depends on APR. Okay, so yeah, for sure, we read that. Vietnamese Koi says, Pi is not released yet. Seems like a school project, never to be launched. Maybe it's just a social test. For sure, that could be interesting. Okay, so Lava Team is going to buy back. Do you explain how to buy back, bro? They also have burned like 465 lava. Okay, we have to address this issue because my boy Abi Manu has asked us like 5 times. So let's go ahead and address it. Okay. So, when the lava, actually, let me share my screen. That would be pretty cool. Okay, so let's say right now I have 0.47 lava to harvest, right? And if I was able to harvest that, I would be able to basically only get back 0.477 minus 7% I would only be able to harvest 0.44. Okay, so they have this thing called tax. All right, every time you buy lava, every time you sell lava, every time you harvest lava, every time you trade lava, if I'm not mistaken. No, I don't think it depends on trades. I think it depends on everything else though that I just mentioned. So buying, selling, yeah, I mean that is trading, right? That is trading. So buying, selling, and harvesting, as well as unstaking lava, incurs the 7.7 or 7.5% tax. Okay, that tax, a percent of that tax is used to buy back lava. Okay, so in other words, when everybody sells, that amount of money that they have taxed you with, a portion of that is used to buy back all the sell orders. Okay, so you can imagine this 7% multiplied by all the transactions on the lava network, right? Every single lava transaction. So let's say right now we head over to BSC scan, and we go over and we grab this shisme, which is Arabic for this thing, and we search for lava. And okay, and we find the lava. Okay, and let's go ahead and look at all the transfers. Okay, so let's say, how many transfers do we have? We have 4,000 pages. So let's just do some quantification here. So how many do we have per page here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's probably a faster way to do this. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so let's say, hypothetically, 25 times 4,000, okay, that's 100,000 transactions, right? So 100,000 transactions times 7% is basically out of the 100,000 transactions, they got 7,000 in revenue, you could say. Okay, and then a portion of that revenue is going to be used to buy back all the sell orders on lava. So for example, people might be selling at $69. People might be selling at $100, all right, whatever. The main idea is that a portion of that is used to buy back lava, and of course a portion of it is also used to stabilize this pool right here. So it goes back into this central pool right here. Right. Also notice the APR is pumping a little bit, which is quite nice. Right. Hopefully that answers your question, Abimanu. I hope that makes sense. And oh yes, and of course they also burn the lava. Okay, so you're asking why does the burn happen? Okay, so let's look at it here. So they've burned 22,000 lava so far. Okay, so they've burned 22,800 lava. And you might be thinking, what? A waste of money? What, mate? What? Are you crazy? All right. So in case you're thinking that. Let's actually verify here on the blockchain. Burn address 15,000. Okay, so obviously it's fake. They didn't burn 22,000. They only burned 15,800. And maybe someone pocketed the other like 6,000 or 7,000 tokens. Okay, whatever. Right? So they burned 6% of the total supply of lava. Why would they do that? They do that to stabilize the price. All right? They do it to stabilize the price. So in other words, they want to create something called deflation. Now, of course, with lava, because it's so profitable, everybody's becoming rich. We're all gonna buy Lambos, okay? Because all of those mechanics are built into the platform. Unfortunately, it becomes inflationary. It becomes inflationary, and that means if people don't keep buying, the price will tank very hard. Right now, the only reason lava is at $70, besides the crazy mechanics and the crazy returns, is because people are buying. If people don't buy, lava tanks, and unfortunately, it becomes even more deflationary, and then they're gonna have to burn a lot more. Okay, but for some reason, these numbers are not correct here. I'm not sure why. But I'm so glad we've got some lava in the wallet, you guys. Which is now, what, $500? Yo, mate, yo. What is my LP worth? My LP is worth $957. Dang, son, dang. Dude, I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, so let's see. Wagi says I'm from Barbados. Animation Dad, Wisconsin. Yo. We got the states representing. Let's see. Lava Team burned 465 lava, bro. No, they burned 15,000 lava, and you probably saw the 465 lava posted on like Twitter or something. And that gets added to this, okay? They've burned a total of 6% of the supply, 15,820 lava. Let's see, Lee Hong is in the live stream. Welcome, Lee. Appreciate you hanging out today, man. Are you in BISwap? No, I am not in BISwap. BISwap is very cool, though. I do quite like it. I like that they're certified, verified, but I'm not in BISwap. No. Let's have a look. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, I did take a look at this recently, over like a few live streams ago, but I'll be happy to do another review of BISwap again. I think it's a great platform, very legit. They've obviously got some really good audit partners. They've got some really good partnerships as well, like BFG. What is BFG trading at right now? Let's have a look. I wonder, you guys, did we miss an opportunity? We should probably, okay, let's have one BFG, 23 cents, no, what is that? 2.3 cents. Okay, we didn't miss an opportunity. But hey, if you want the BFG, you can still pick it up. Yeah, I like BISwap because they've got some really cool partnerships. Personally, I also like that they've gone through the whole auditing process. They want to really create investor trust. Personally, I'm not invested with them. Bansu Viking says, "Oh, beautiful. Mars is in pre-sale. That's very cool. We'll check it out later." Manny says, "Suggest some high APR yield farms, bro." Okay, so here's the thing, man. I say this to every single person. Okay, everything I do on this channel is not financial advice. Okay, it is not financial advice. There is no such thing as get rich quick unless you play this game really smart. Okay, and farming is not one way that you can get rich really quickly. You can definitely make a lot of money, but you are not going to strike it big because you are competing against really big experienced players. And so what we want to do on this channel is bring you all the information from all sides. The stuff that the beginners are doing, the stuff that the very experienced professionals are doing with hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars in liquidity. Okay, we want to bring you all that information, and we also want to bring you the best opportunities. But we never, when I say we, I mean me, right? I never want to suggest anything because I don't want that kind of liability, okay? I don't want that liability. I'm not giving you financial advice. You're gonna go and do your own research based on the information that I've given you. All right. Let's see, Bantu Viking is really shilling this coin. Bantu Viking, why are you shilling this coin, man? Why are you shilling this coin? Mike Miller is in the live stream. Mike, be honest, Mike. How much did your bot get out with yesterday? And why didn't you tell us about buying the dip? Why didn't you convince us, Mike? We are holding you accountable. We are holding you accountable for not encouraging us to buy the dip. You distracted us with that bot story of yours. How much did you get out with the bot? Let us know, please. Oh, dude. Let's see. Walgi says, "Hey man, can you stop spamming?" Yeah, please stop spamming, you guys. Stop spamming. There's no place for spammers in here. Vietnamese Koi says, there is not enough liquidity to draw 1 million lava. Well, let's have a look, actually. Let's have a look. Right now, how much liquidity do we have? We actually do have a fair amount of liquidity in here. About $9.2 million. Not too bad. But that's definitely not going to cover, like, everybody's sell, right? So, dudes, I think we can pump to, like, $100. I really think we might be able to. Let's have a look at the charts here one more time. We're so bullish, you guys. We are so bullish. It's crazy. It's crazy. I need to let you guys go now. We've been going on for like 2 hours. These live streams are just getting longer and longer, you guys. And we got guys from like the UAE and from the Far East going to bed. And we got guys from like the United States waking up. And I've just got to like do this crazy balancing act right in the middle. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. Let's see here. Lee Hong says, do they tax your LP token when you harvest, or do they tax your lava only? They tax both. They tax both. There's greedy mother. Doot, doot. Insert word here. Please, I apologize, YouTube. Please don't demonetize me. Okay, so let's see. Walgi says, if they're gonna rug, they would rug on the first week. Dude, don't say stuff like that, mate. We're not walking on eggshells here, mate. Please, mate, please. Yeah, I mean, for sure, it makes sense. But hey, you know, we don't know for sure. I did actually ask for an interview with the developers. I'm still waiting for the interview. I don't know. Maybe they're gonna do it. Maybe they're not. Maybe. Let's see here. Walgi, Clayton says, Walgi's, well, we never know. Just hope they don't, because I got some lava too, dude. Aiden says, it says it all on the top left. It does say it all on the top left. What are we talking about? Are we talking about, what are we talking about? Are we talking about this here? Maybe. Oh, we're talking about this. Yes, you're right. It's right here. Yeah, there you go. I told you guys I'm getting way too old for this. I am getting way too old. Let's see. Bro, can you show us how to do an emergency withdrawal for any stable pairs? For sure, man. That's a really great question. That was the best question all evening, you guys. That was the best question all evening. Okay, so let's say you want to do an emergency withdrawal, right? First thing you want to make sure you do is you are staked with MetaMask. You do not want to be staked with anything else besides MetaMask. And so when you want to do the emergency withdrawal, just head over to their doc section. You might want to actually bookmark this page. Okay, and then where it says emergency withdrawal in case of like a DDoS attack or whatever it is, you're gonna click on go to MasterChef. It's gonna take you to BSC scan. Okay, and then here you're going to want to, I might be going a little bit fast, so just try to keep in mind. It's gonna say connect to Web3. Click on it, choose MetaMask, sign it, click connect. Okay, then you're gonna head over down to where it says emergency withdrawal, number four, emergency withdrawal, and here you're just gonna put in the code for the pool that you're staked in, right? So let's say you're in this one here, the Lava BNB pool. So you just put in number 2 here, and you're gonna click this right button, okay? And so that's it. That's how you do the emergency withdrawal. But please keep in mind that when you do that, you will lose all of your pending harvested assets. Okay, so just keep that in mind, you guys. Right. Okay. So, oh man, we got some crazy. Check out AutoShark. I can write it down. But I can write it down, but we're not gonna check it out today. AutoShark. Got it. Enough to buy. Dude, Mike is trolling, you guys. Mike is trolling. Enough to buy his Lambo. Dude, you got us, man. You got us. This coin is in the same phase as Ethereum. Is at only 0.01 at the moment in pre-sale, and I believe everyone deserves a chance. Yeah, I mean, for sure, we can check it out, but maybe you guys can check it out on your own, and we can talk about it later. Let's see. We will pump to 100 today. I believe it. On Lavacake, absolutely. Vietnamese Koi says, similar to pre-sale Bantu. Yeah, you can go ahead and share that. Or, better still, you guys can get it in our Telegram group. And, yeah. Okay, cool. Awesome. Guys, you guys have been awesome. I am very hungry. I haven't had dinner, you guys. Before I go, I just want to say, please exercise caution. exercise caution. I also want to tell you about a really cool opportunity, which we are going to roll right now. By the way, this is my business, Blue Brain, and it is what will actually be the holding company for our platform. But today, I'm not going to tell you about that. Today, I'm going to tell you about a really, really awesome workshop that I run for free, totally for free. You don't have to pay anything, where I'll teach you how to create your own online course business. All you have to do is click the link in the description below. You don't have to pay anything, totally for free. And here we'll teach you how to go from zero to sales in less than 60 days if you do join our accelerator program. This is literally the source of most of my income. So in case you're interested, make sure you check that out for free in the description below. And with that said, guys, I want to say thank you so much for hanging out today. You guys are awesome. You guys are troopers from all around the world. This is such an international community. I'm very humbled by this experience. I've never had so many people watch me before. It's kind of nerve-wracking sometimes, and when I'm nervous I tend to just talk too much, as you might have noticed. If you haven't followed me, here are all my wonderful social media handles. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And of course, the most important thing is to hit that like button so more people can see this content. Please also share. Okay, if you know somebody who could benefit from this information, share, so at least they will be able to learn something. All right, they don't have to subscribe, but if at least they can learn something, and that would be beneficial for them. So make sure you guys share it so we help more people. We're definitely going to $1 million, maybe not anytime soon, maybe next week. We never know. We never know, right? But please only invest what you are willing to lose. I might lose it. Oh my goodness, we are at $80, you guys. I might lose everything. I might... This is so distracting. I might lose everything. Okay, I might not lose everything. I might gain a lot, okay? All I want to say is please, please, please be safe, okay? Try to take profits on the way up. Only invest what you're willing to lose. And please don't FOMO into projects because of other people. And please don't panic sell because of other people, okay? You are feeding into the manipulation if you do that. We want you to be smart out there, and I know that you guys are smart, so please make sure you make smart choices, okay? I love you guys. I'll see you in tomorrow's live stream. Take care, everybody.